Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice dishes using an easy method. First, choose your preferred rice type, such as white or brown. Next, measure your rice and water accurately, typically using a 2-to-1 ratio for white rice. This foundational step ensures a consistent texture every time. We'll cover the simple process from start to finish, making delicious rice accessible for any meal. To cook rice on the stovetop, begin by rinsing 1 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, preventing stickiness. Place the rinsed rice and 2 cups of water into a pot. Bring it to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, cover tightly, and simmer for about 18 minutes. Do not lift the lid during this crucial cooking time. After simmering, let your rice rest, still covered, for 10 minutes off the heat. This allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly fluffy grains. Then, gently fluff the rice with a fork. Avoid stirring vigorously to prevent mashing. For enhanced flavor, consider adding a small pinch of salt or a tablespoon of butter during the cooking process. These simple steps ensure a delightful texture and taste. Once your perfect rice is ready, the possibilities are endless. Serve it as a simple side with any main course. For a quick meal, mix it with some cooked vegetables and a dash of soy sauce. You can also top it with a fried egg and a drizzle of hot sauce for a satisfying breakfast. Leftover rice is excellent for making fried rice or even a sweet rice pudding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.